Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Arjun and today is the third episode of how to use an abacus. So in the first two episodes we have already learned how to put numbers on these two rods, 1st rod and 10th rod. Let me just give some examples for the recap. If we have to put 79 on this, how we will put 7 and 9, 79. We should always remember that for putting numbers on this 10th row, we use these two fingers of left hand, index finger and middle finger, like this, 70. And for this row, we know that thumb for lower rows and lower beats and index finger for upper beats. 79. Another number, say 49. 49. For 10th row lower beats, we use left hand index finger, and for this 5 beat of 10th row, we use left hand middle finger. Another example, 98, 98, 95, 95, 64, 64. We put these numbers together by the both hands simultaneously. Now let's move further. Now we will learn how to subtract numbers from both these rows, 10th row and 1st row. Suppose we have 99 on our abacus, the biggest 2-digit value. Now we have to subtract 55 from this number. How we will subtract? First, remember the fingers assigned to the particular row or beat. For this, we have, for upper beat of 10th row, we have middle finger of left hand. So we will just push this up, 50, and for this we have this finger, so 5, 55. Now we have to subtract 47 from this, 47. Now we have to subtract, suppose, 85 from this, 85. Now we have to subtract 37 from this, 37. But if this was a direct subtraction which we can do easily. Now if we have to subtract some complicated numbers, like we have 87, and now we have to subtract 43 from this. We cannot subtract directly. So see, from here 40, we have to subtract 80 from we have to subtract 40 from 80. So what we used to do in this row, we used to say now that boss 5. If you remember in the previous video, I have told that if we want to subtract, suppose 7, if we have to subtract 4 from 7, how we will subtract? 4's friend is 1, so boss 5 goes out and friend 1 comes in. 3. Similarly, we want to subtract 47 from this. Okay, so we have to subtract 40 from this first. Again, boss 50, or you can say 5, because this is a 5 beat. Boss 50 goes out and friend 1 comes in. We subtract 40 like this. And now we have to subtract 7. But if you remember that on this row only 4 beats are left, but you have to subtract 7. So we have to take the help from this row. Okay, so for suppose we have 44 on this left, we have to still subtract 7 from this. So 7's friend is, so we will take borrow. How to take borrow? 10 from here, and this is how we subtract 7. Again I am telling 47. See, 40 is subtracted like this. Boss 5 goes out and friend 1 comes in. Now for subtracting 7, 7's friend is 3, but we have taken borrow, so we will add 3 and take the borrow. Okay, 7's friend is 3, so like this. Again, let's take one more example. We have 56 and we have to subtract, suppose, 39. So how we will subtract? 30, as you can, as we know, for subtracting 30, 30's friend is 2. So we will directly 20. So we will directly put 20 like this. Boss 5 goes out and friend 20 comes in. Now you have to subtract 9. 9's friend is 1. Take borrow and add 1 on this. 70. Again 29. No, sorry, 39. 29. 29. Like this. Again one more example. Let's take 77. Now we will subtract 69, 68. 60 direct and 8. 8 friend is 2. Take borrow 8. So this was the subtraction part of abacus, and it is also very crucial for know how to subtract, for knowing how to subtract a particular number from a particular value. Now let's move further. We have already learned how to put numbers on these beads, on these rows, how to subtract and add numbers, right? Now we will learn sums. We have some sums here. We will solve these. This is the abacus and this is the sum. The first sum is 4 plus 9. So 4 we can put directly. Now for 9, we already know 9's friend is 1. So we will subtract 1 and boss 10 comes in. Friend 1 goes out and boss 10 comes in. 13. Now the next sum is 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3, 9. Direct, 9. Next is 7 plus 8. 7. 8 friend is 2. Friend 2 goes down and boss 10 comes. 15. Zoom the abacus. 10 plus 25. 10 we will put from this finger on the tens rod. 10 plus 25 direct. 35. 65 plus 27. 65 plus 27. 20. And for 7 we know 7's friend is 3. So we will subtract 3 from this and add 7 and add 10 here. 7. 65 plus 27. Let's do some more sums. Now let's do some subtraction sums. Now here are some subtraction sums. These sums. 87 minus 9. So 9's friend is 1. We will take borrow from the tens rod and subtract 9 like this. Boss 10 goes out and friend 1 comes in. 78. Now 65 minus 21. 65. And from 2, 2's friend is 3. Boss 5 goes out and 3 comes in. 21. 44. 99 minus 54 direct. 54 minus 25. Now for 20 we know friend of 20 is 30. So boss 5 will go out and friend 30 will come in. 20. And 5's friend is 5. We will take borrow and add 5 on this. 1 slot. 29. 68 minus 49. 40. 4 friend is 1. 40. And 9's friend is 1. So we will take borrow and add 1. 19. I hope you like my video and I hope you are learning many things from my video. In the next one, we will learn how to perform multiplications on abacus. Till then, take care, have a nice day, and please revise some concepts, revise thoroughly for becoming a calculator. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.